The spring is under tension even when the car is lifted, red arrow. Never try and just pry the spring out. It is extremely dangerous. Begin by squeezing in the 4 plastic tabs, red arrows, and remove the plastic cover from below the lower control arm. I highly recommend you use the spring compressor tool made for Mercedes-Benz. Standard spring compressors will not work, and the use of a different tool can cause damage to both you and your vehicle. Warning: never use air impact tools on Mercedes-style spring compressors. Insert the larger disc on the bottom and place the discs as far away from each other as possible, yellow arrows. Insert the compressor strut through the hole in the lower control arm and feed it through the plates. Rotate the strut so it locks into the tabs on the upper plate. Attach your 19mm socket and start tightening. The springs will compress while tightening. With the spring compressed, simply remove it from the control arm and the vehicle. Installation is the reverse of the removal, and you must compress the spring before trying to install it. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.